The Olive Tree Bible lets you highlight your verses in your Bible, and this affects all the versions you have on your phone. At the moment, we're reading the King James Version, but if we switch to another version, notice that this verse is still highlighted. To highlight a verse, tap its number and go to Highlight. You can then choose a color you want. You can also add a new color if you don't like the ones you already have. In the Olive Tree Bible, you can either highlight or underline your verse. For a highlight, you can adjust the intensity. And for the underline, you also have a thickness option. Lastly, you can name your highlight. Our new underline has been added, and we can use it in our Bible. It has also been added to our list of highlights. The app also lets you edit existing highlights. When you do, it updates all the highlights in the app. As you can see, we have made this pink color a bit lighter. If you change your mind about a highlighter, you can delete it. You can also increase the number of verses you want to highlight. Though you select a single verse, you can add more verses to your highlight. But when you're deleting it, you have to add all the verses in that highlight. Another way to highlight multiple verses is to simply long press some text, select all the verses you want, and highlight them. Naming your highlighters helps when you want to focus on certain verses. The Olive Tree Bible keeps all your highlighters in one place. These are all the verses under this highlight. And you can get more information for each verse.